Hi, my name is Jordan. Welcome to All Things Hair. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a curling wand. Let's go! So first I'm going to be using a heat protecting spray, and this one also doubles as a primer before heat styling. So next I'm going to start working through my hair section at a time, starting from the back, and I'm going to secure my hair with clips.
You might want to use your ears to help measure. It doesn't really have to be perfect. And then I'm going to twirl it up into a bun. You might need a few clips for this.
There's usually 3 different ways that I like to do my curls. There's the beach curl, there's undone, or there's the conventional curl, which I'll be showing you today. So to create a beach curl, I'm going to take a small section of hair, twist it, I'm going to hold the wand upside down, and I'm going to wrap the hair around the wand. I'm going to leave a small section of hair at the end hanging off the wand. For the undone style, I'm going to start somewhere around the midpoint of my hair. I'm going to wrap the hair in one direction, and then I'm going to give it a little break, and then I'm going to wrap the rest of my hair in the other direction. So for the third look, and the one I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to be doing a conventional curl. To do this, I'm going to grab a strand of hair, I'm going to start up near the root, and I'm going to start wrapping around the wand. Hold that on the wand. If you want a tighter, more defined curl, you're going to hold it onto the wand for a little bit longer. If you want more of a loose wave, not so long. We're going to be going somewhere in between that today. So for the second curl, I'm going to take another strand of hair. However, this time I'm going to curl in the opposite direction. So taking the wand, I'm going to wrap the hair in and all the way to the end. And release. So I'm going to repeat these steps across the rest of my hair, alternating the curls in different directions as I go, and I'm going to be mindful to keep the strands that I grab relatively similar size. So now I've done the first part, I'm going to unclip my hair and take another section, twisting all the way to the end, and then holding as close to the end of the hair as you can, a few seconds, and then release. Because I've grabbed a slightly thicker amount of hair here, I can still make this work. I'm just going to need to hold it on for slightly longer than I would for a thinner strand. If your hair slips, don't be afraid to reattempt the curl. You might just need to hold it on slightly longer to reset it because it's already had a little bit of heat applied to it. Finally, on the last strand, and it's a little bit thicker than the rest. That's because I don't want the curl to hang as tightly as the others. So again, wrapping it around, hold for a few seconds, release, and there we are. So to finish off, I like to just run my fingers through the curls, loosen them up a little bit, bounce them around. So now I'm just going to use some hairspray to set the style and also tame any flyaways that might remain. And there we are! Thank you so much for watching, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out other curling styles, click here. Don't forget to subscribe here.